who can do anything on the field, but physically, I don't think I'm ready. Physically, I don't think I'm fit yet. Like physically, say BBC. I think he's one of the top 3 best defenders in the Premier League, which Oya Ghana ni so I'm a Ghana di so ko ichiri nti Oyo bi obo no homodin but the name say opese obo national team na say there be why not, because it's not only the best defender in the Premiership, and the Premiership is the best league in the world. Nti so be a top 3 best defender of Premiership definitely the person is eligible to play in the national team if only he's in the coach's plan. Why not?
So it is over. We are still on course. No, tactically, FA Cup no say idea. So you will say you making sure say the top 4 so has to folk a better part of that top 4. Now with the cup no, Yabona I think say you fair officiating and who is really good. Exactly.
You run commentary, so you have the benefit of the doubt to see it twice or more than that. From my technical area, there was a contact. Once a player has the ball and he's in the penalty area and he's advancing towards goal, the slightest of contact can make him imbalance and he can lose the ball. The player just touched him. I mean, he brought him down. The law says that it's a penalty. So once you brought him down in the penalty area, it's a penalty.
I think I've given you the outcome already. I'll throw it out. You see, what I believe should be done right now, situations like this, I believe that it's not, if the explanation I'm giving now is coming directly from the referees department of the FA, it will silence everybody, because here we are doing training and development for referees. The concept the referees go through in interpreting the laws, it's not something that is public. So the understanding of the referees concept in terms of referee is not so with all the teams, because at one stage we've gone to the extent of saying that teams must invite instructors or occasionally educate them on the laws of the game. So if we can start that side of it, people will begin to understand the concept, and then they themselves will even debate among themselves that it's correct or it's not correct.
Oh, you know, I think say match after the match. Say you has no bubble. Into you be concentrate. Say,
are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Radio. All right, live Yomobi Akwaba, Amapimo Okuma Radio, yes, 97.1, Abrevia to Yesinkunya, Okuma Global Sports, and Yadia Onkoma Swedia Bar, Anya Fidiagro, Team Naya France, yes, and now Commano, and what team Papa, Yabasha, the UEFA Champions League, Yamin Chadia, Team Saudano, semi final, set and done, Okopioma, Man City, Madrid, Villarreal, and a Liverpool, you never walk alone, it was ya. Anya Fidiagro, Macrobia Santa Bethanasi, however, and Kumakra. Na yashe teams no so far, near call El Horma, a Hong Kong's no Anya Fidiagro, Sasun and Yamia to Mane, MTN FA Cup, one big game, Abatuja, our Cross Sports Stadium, Sky FC, and a glorious across the folk, and at the time, so Sasso, and a Okopiema, Yababura, Orantin, Ario Tuatu Akache, and Komobum, Abubuefi, Dortmund, Eba, Dortmund in penny for Agiatum, Aso Penino. Bet me the pen esin krataso assign Ediama Ghana na oshe contract mun komona abusia anu odin papa enye 3 years enye 4 years meseden enye 3 years enye 4 years yabahwe ne edin komo na yahwe ne yakọ ene ne yaba ewo jibedi so medino era writer commentator yes na metremo Ediama AK yes mbanyina AK as a body yes chemistry kakra na ayebere na bibiasa no etimi akonkan saso ana akopima Krobia Santenya France ode yebetu ebekwa amanene na ba na obope yebefrance na yabobo nkomo na bibiasa no etimi akonkan DJ Sigebi oko live on Facebook ode atoso kama and to join live on Facebook oba no comment wa like wa share saso na akopiemu ewo YouTube yes to me live on mo ahon komaso na busia and said I nye Fidiagro na Samson Akopiema head of sports Rantin eri Mr. Kofi Okori Ajima wa bobo ansemi ni anu abakama yeso yedi ababe town Samson DJ Donzi DJ Vibes na no time ya abigo listo wa muni ano ebo kama na jumedi ne yedi aba executive producer Rantin eri Mr. KB ekibeka oye heavy oye brutal papa rono and asise jumedi kama and ya ba thanasia yedi an komo so yedi ba live on Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Global Sports and Yesinkunya yati onkomo so dia bantu join live for Facebook opa comment like share message comment like share na be biasa no entumi ankonkan Krobia Santenya France one of the finest atiase both foreign news no pop that no menam no be na one na for me say Krobia Santa ko ye brutal Krobia Sante brutal fa Zuba if you are fine
right there.
What's the ya?
BBI kama. Oh, you better body I say. BBI kama. Said the answer echeno. O se papa boniu. Ye fast that man. Enti de ko ye. Ene de anko ye nyina no. O bompire na o de asedan so amatwedi ampon. Bia na anko ne bonni sa. Na nka de beba no. Eno kra de enye kra. Ana said the baby e ko ye kodui no so no. Ebie ho ana e wo se enye den. Andrew because trason so a bia na ma wakoye nioma no so yen den ensem fata erade intino na che se bibia no na ensem wo ho ensem aba ensem wo ho papa se unse national teams no wo mo a ye call Cameroon AFCON wo mo ambo ho modern no ene no coaches awodo na eko coaches awodo na eko. Then no binumu any opportunity say one more participate in the playoffs of the World Cup and no one more playoffs no so anko yama no and so coaches no do na enso eguso eko uko Europa when say nenso Europa any conference league no ho in some ho Barcelona ejino kono yes Barcelona ejino kono and Monte Carlo ekoso e France no tennis competition and also ekoso no games awodo na enso eguso a eno so ekoso na endrada after say Man City enso ese passe Atletico de Madrid no nsensem pi na see ewo in the game no nsem pi ntokwa hunu ne ene no Charlie na no odin papa nti ye den sem ni nyina no enso eba emuda ho bibia nso no eye kama okay at the Krobia Sante and out in Canada ko manani aba odiebetu tikachonia no so nkanchonia se Krobia Sante declare very description in yano pictures and videos in yano opinion no ade eba
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Conte. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow, that's brilliant!
Okuma Radio.
It's magnificent! Game changer! Points of world-class difference. No one stops that. No one on the planet. Genius.
Never mind Kevin De Bruyne. It's Heaven De Bruyne.
The champions ease away. One quite beautiful goal. 13 points, which for Chelsea may be terminally unlucky.
Right, Okuma 97.1, Okuma Global Sports, and a bredu say the Amanoni Samuno creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports, no, and so Ebeba Bedan it for any Yashe for Edino, a Krobia Asante, and Kofi Okori Ajimai together with AK. Any the writer, commentator, and so Abubuan Seminano, Semen Kono Quantin Crot, Namenfa Manfo Crosun Semno, and so Enfa Mbego, Enfa Mamumura, any production rumor, Ube say DJ Zigibi, and so any listo or Boabua, ano, I'm say Newman Biano, and so ebe to me Akuye, Ewo, Command social media, no so Uremu, Facebooka, or Command 97.1, Sanso, Ana YouTube, no, and so Ayo Command Radio 97.1 into Jumediano, Yeti and Winsem Yano, and so Eba. When say UEFA Europa League no games no baso and Javi any golden boy Pedri then asem ana womo can reactions any players no womo trip any teams no training sessions awodwa any no course ye de nyina ba UEFA Champions League of course yenya the last four no I ne womo so completed the semi-finals team ben any team ben ekobo time ben womo ball da ben womo hia why na kwa away first why na bu home first nyina no ye de ensem nyina so no eba wakwemu ntitamu kuchu na join our Koma 97.1 on Facebook now also enjoy any reactions awodwa and also ATC and Atletico Madrid games you know and insem ACC wom ntokwa pa chese ntokwa esi wo game ni mu no o join wo Facebook a onso be hu said the nyoma and so etumi ekoye quickly no ye hwe any games a and also etumi etodwa and brother e wo the UEFA Champions League games a and also eba so e wo the Anfield no e wo England Liverpool etina fie any team a ye friend no any team a ono so ye friend no Benfica and so at the game no etumi Erin Dam so Liverpool etumi share 3 Sanso ana Benfica and so etumi share 3 Abrante awomu share goals no and so edema Liverpool Ibrahima Konate onim say Abrante wa back to back goals womo equal Stade Doulos enenu Benfica no otumi share goal and rather so nya goal Roberto Firmino Bobby ono so etumi about 2 goals edema Liverpool womo ane complete ene 3 goals Liverpool etumi share no Benfica afemu no Abrante ye friend no Ramos no etumi eshego Yarim Cook ono so etumi eshego ana Darwin Nunes the Uruguayan international Abrante any more about this time no and so ehuye papa womo so ane complete 3 goals no Benfica so afemu akensi any ba na we na ye 3-3 ana womo so etumi abo honoma nioma enso enye fediagra ye de hunsem ni nyina no enso Bayern say the first leg no Liverpool away was Stade Doulos win by 3 goals to 1 and no aggregate ni nyina no enso yes 6 goals to 4 in favor of Liverpool womo so etumi adjoin teams womo so etumi qualify honoma ye de hunsem nyina no enso eba upiemu Wanda Metropolitano enso Madrid Atletico de Madrid etina fie eton said the Manchester City of England ama womo de akensie no enso etumi ehye so honomo akensie no course no 90 minutes of action played go bia entumi anto atremti 0-0 and I say 0-0 and etumi course so that particular game Abrante your friend Felipe enso etumi eje red card ni Atletico Madrid for afemu sanso ana ne yellow card there and also buburuja entina aggregate no enso etumi akwaye 1-0 in favor of Manchester City unim say in the first leg no Manchester City etina Etihad etumi ehye kan ba kon and wo mko piemu Madrid no and also etumi ekwaye 0-0 1-0 advantage and no Man City so no etumi advance ya wo so ekwaye de hunsem no dodo na enso etumi ede eba entino odwane Facebook ubehu games no pictures no say match day pictures said ya enenu nyoma esisi ene pictures ne so ene uremu Anfield ubehu pictures do Liverpool womo ewini no uhwe na players no womo agi womani ene womo facial look womo facial expressions no ni nyina emu eda ho kama sanso na uremu Wanda Metropolitano unso ubehu said ya Manchester City so no womo so esi celebrate womo victory and I say womo qualification over ene Atletico de Madrid ye de ɛho nsɛm ni nyina no enso etumi ede ebra mo na onim sɛ ye no na enenu kotis no ehu benya se after game bia no wo so ebetu wo anim tuo a kire ene wo supporters ene amahodo so mufo nua ma yenso yenhu nsem a etumi ekoso se we win game na edenti na ma we win se wo win yenso aden na wo ye nie ayema wo win ye yenwure mu ewo abrante a ye frɛ no Diego Pablo Simeone ono nso no manager edema Atletico Madrid enti Atletico Madrid wo mu coach a ye frɛ no Diego Pablo Simeone ana ono so ode etuga after endra game a wo nso etumi nya qualification no say Endrada ewa Wanda Metropolitano no womo home soil womo etumi show class ye papa against the Manchester City. Nemum it was unfortunate say at the end of the 90 minutes upon all the chances I want to me create here upon all the passes I would draw to me a call in the box of Manchester City any the attackers are otro womu nyina egu enimu no a Obibia entumi am very even a single chance woman so etumi enyan no enu nyina eka ana Endrada no nkunimdie enso entumi anya Atletico Madrid dia eno no ensema ene Diego Pablo Simeone eno so ede etuga wa Atletico di Madrid nso enso afemu ama bibia nso no etumi ekonkan yenremu owie no no pani oni ni si akan no enso eye Jose Pep Guardiola ana ono so ejinemu ede Manchester City enti City coach ye friend no Pep Guardiola ono so edina no disem etuga dia ya enenu womuko Wanda etumi ekonya 0-0 na overall no womu nso etumi ebuki womu tikita adwene the last 4 teams womu eka akobo semi finals no ono so densem etuga se Endrada no womu tumi eboye especially in the first half no womu tumi dominate play enya more of the ball no enso HS anka bibi ebetumi efi Nazareth asase so aba in the first leg na womu nso etumi enya goal in the first half no na momo etumi akwanko wie ni sa but womu Asia etima oye compact oye solid in terms of attacking any defense nyina no Endrada Atletico etumi show class indeed senia womu coach no enso ekan especially in the second half no enya dia Manchester City so no efa na ho grosso enene nsema Jose Pep Guardiola enso etumi ede atuga yede ehun nsem nyina no enso ede eba na unim say games no enso ekoso no enuoma bebre anesisi enti uremu azigibi enso mamu hu since etumi ekoso pictures no eyi no yemfa pictures no yewia na the video no nso etumi aba ubehu say enenu City players ni nyina any Atletico di Madrid players no womo dia bueni ye papa womo dia bueni Endra ntokwa from left right center na eno so enya asem ketwa otwa hunu pa ene nam so abrante friend Felipe of Atletico di Madrid itumi nya record no enti ubehu se ne pictures ni nyina no enso etumi erolia ye de ehon nsem nyina no enso etumi ede eba eho no ma se coaches no ene ade enyina ekasa wie ya game no enso etumi eba na wie ye no yenkone yenkohwe ensem a eno so etumi eba eho no se Liverpool anase eni abrantia Liverpool coach ye friend no eni Jurgen Klopp ono so edensem etuga Liverpool mu coach ye friend Jurgen Klopp ono so densem etuga after Endra qualification wo so eko echiremu say yes Endrada otumi eye changes bebre wo hwe team ni mu a otumi eye close to 7 changes otumi eye ewo ne setup ni mu intino Endrada no eno na nam so ama enenu Benfica enso etumi ebenya that 3 goals no mmom no enya de obetake anything away from Benfica boys no wo mutumi ebo moten and away performance Endrada wo so eda ne di no enso eye super eye solid ye papa eno ne nsema Jurgen Klopp obiba JK ono so ede etuga yenso yede ema yetiefo ne yenkohwe Endrada ntokwa chechire de enti wu join Facebook akoma 97.1 onso brabe pe eni ebehwe Endra fighter esi ye na we no eye after the game just game no yapon players no bibia eko the dressing room Atletico boys eko sanso ana Manchester City boys nso eko akọ prepare na wo mafa mo flight enso etumi aba be piemu ewo England UK Britain abrotimemu no eho ana Endrada wo hwe tan onimu a Endra yen tokwa keto tan onimu no ubehu entokwa chenchirenche pa ene Atletico di Madrid players no enso ene City players no edi ebueni na security for no cramp no na enya ade a wo mu etwa wo ho a etwa eho no after say wo mu show indiscipline in the game of football ewo pitch ni so no side the pitch after say ye pon game no so no tane onimu no ubehu enesane awomodi abuani a eno nso enye asem keto ya dia na eno nso asifim ye papa areho ewo game a endra eno nso etumi eto so ewo Spain no ye de ehon nsem ni nyina no enso e de ebremo na ye hwe eneno games no unim say so far semi-finals no yen hwe teams a wo nso etumi akwa mu Liverpool etumi qualify sanso ana Villarreal enso etumi qualify Real Madrid enso etumi qualify ana in Manchester City enso etumi qualify na say na parent it first leg Liverpool ebetna Anfield enso atonsa e dia frɛ Villarreal ewo first leg encounter in the semi-finals na ene second game no Real Madrid enso ebetna Estadio Santiago Bernabeu enso atonsa e dia frɛ Manchester City na eno nso any game a eno nso ebetumi akoso nti first away teams enso ye Villarreal and Manchester City ana womo a womo bofie kane enso Liverpool ene team a ye frɛ no Real Madrid ana honoma ye de ehonsem ebremo no yenkohwe wo mu wie league ni nyina no unim say quarter finals brada no ebi etodwa ye de players a wo mu modempo no enso etumi ebaye endrada wo mu boy ni so no players a wo mu modempo eso eni ebaye enti together no player of the week yenkohwe say dia eno so etie player of the week no say na tie Abrante your friend Luka Modric osina kai de Real Madrid unim so onoje man of the match in their game against Chelsea ono no to meje man of the match ono so etumi enya basketball de player of the week ono so contender sanso ana Raul Albiol of Villarreal ono so contender sanso ana Kasper Tsimikas ono ye Liverpool omo left back and rather ejuma Abrante boy na eno so esueni ono so etumi epiemu player of the week sanso ana John Stones of Manchester City and rather one more Adeoye Griezmann ene Joao Felix the likes of Carrasco no munyina no wo mutumi eto ban eboban we kirewa obi bia fa ball Anthony Yonko atenemu inti John Stones nso etumi aba be piam nti hwana oba Facebook okoma 97.1 bra na ene Champions League games a o hwe Benada ene Endra ne wuku ada so no player ne modempo eso weni ye pa no onso bra beto abama no na ye hu se dia modempo no enso esi ekoye o hona bibia so no entumi enye kama ye remu na yenkohwe eni no say university for natural wo semester exams na wi a yembra na yembehwe SHS for no so no wo chro end of term exams inti yeba na yaba behwe say the nyoma economy yebehwe ase e de free JHS unum say basic examinations no ubremu ewo ene UEFA so ya ye frɛ no UEFA Conference League eno anane ekoso ewo PSV Eindhoven ewo Netherlands no wo etina fie atonsa e de afrɛ Leicester City no mo de akensie no etumi awendam so Slavia Praha enso etonsa e de afre Feyenoord no mo di game no etumi awendam so honoma eno so enye fediagro we ye UEFA Conference League games ebeba so no ane ye de etuga ewo Stadio Olimpico Italy Roma enso no etina fi atonsa e de afre Bodo Glimt unim say Bodo Glimt in the first league ewo Bodo wo mo etumi etwa Roma by 2-1 Jose Mourinho eba betina fie no so ahwe say de nyoma so no ebetumi akoye aye de ehonsem nyina no enso ede ebremo Park Thessaloniki enso team a wo mo so welcome ene Olympique de Marseille unim say in the first league Stade de Velodrome France no Olympique de Marseille wini by 2-1 wo mo so ede second league ni mu a eno so eba so ene enwumre no enti yenremu na efe yemehwe SHS for no wo mo so exams ana say wasi a womo so etro no yenhwe se de anioma so no etumi eko ho no mo ne yemehwe quarter final second leg games no say na no so ete Atlanta na Jewes ewo Bergamo na womo so ene RB Leipzig etumi abo first leg no eko so ewo Red Bull Arena wo Germany ekowie 1-1 ho no mo ene no Olympic Lyonnais enso eboremu ewo Olympic Stadium ewo London to share ene West Ham so 1-1 in the first leg sabri no West Ham so to Lyon enso ewo France no the game no etumi ahye so ene nwumre na Rangers enso no ewo Scotland enso to say their first Sporting Braga of Portugal we say first leg no Sporting Braga etina fie ebo Rangers by 1-0 ene Rangers eba be say the Newman so besi akọ ewo second leg ni mu FC Barcelona FC Barcelona ye bo wo mudin a eyi no enkyere say ye Champions League quarter final B ana wo mo bo enkyere say UEFA Champions League semi final B ana wo mo etumi a qualify wo mo wa qualify no ene Barcelona ye bo mudin a wo mo so ewo SHS a wo mo ehwe se dia wasi no ebetumi akoye amfa ama wo mo ewo hono mo first leg no wo mo problem ewo Beche Bank Park ewo Germany Frankfurt no ekoye 1-1 ewo hono mo ene wo mo tena Estadio du Camp Nou ana say Nou Camp na wo mo so atonsa dia Frankfurt a na wo mo di game no enso etumi abaso eni Europa League games a eno so ebaso a ye de ehun nyina no enso ede eba ye hwe baako player and manager reactions ne fe yemfa dwumedie no enso ensi ewa monone a ye bebremu ewo ene Barca manager ye frɛ no Xavi unim se Xavi so ede nsem etumi atugua atwiremu a ene ne boys no modembo a wo mo bo no oboa se boys no so no ebetumi gina wo mo nanso na wo mo etumi aye bibi enso ede aboa Barca in the first leg no or assess a o se na wo mo nye more of attacking team last leg a wo mo boy no wo mo nye more of attacking team inti ene wo mo ba camp no ono so betumi a kire ne boys no se ne no eye all attacking inti no wo mo nko na wo mo konya the ultimate qualification no Enfama FC Barcelona na wo mo so enfanti wo mo anim after say ene UEFA Champions League anko yi no wo mo so enfanti wo mo anim na bibia so no entumi enye Cameroon ne nsema Barcelona wo mo so manager aye frɛ no Javi Hernandez enso edi etsuga wo mo wie no ana brante ba kwa ono so ewo fom wo wiase nyina owo fom ye papa the golden boy abrante aye frɛ no Pedri Gonzalez ono so edi nsem etuga se ene ni team no emu aye the ohwe performance a Barcelona eda na di this time na eno so eye performance a eso mpanifo ani eno so eso Barcelona fans nyina wo mo so etumi eso wo mani ye papa one players ni nyina no eye well motivated se wo mo so betumi akari Barcelona na danko ama bia no wo mo so wo mudin etumi akọ Barcelona wo mo history books ni mu na bibia so no etumi aye Cameroon nsema Pedri Gonzalez the inform Pedri for NAFC Barcelona ono so ede etuga intina ha ana ne no yede ensem ni nyina no enso ebesi amona ne ensem no creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports no aha ana ebrebe ma yenkwan ama yede esiedin no eye Krobia Asante.
Okay, Krobia Asante ara o se wodi etu kama eko aya manfun kroso a ahon koma so no enye fidi agromento nka bebi a monitor fi my message number 0551667755 0551667755 say WhatsApp and as a text message abantama yebe ken kind amount na bibia so no etumi akonkan me still live on Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Global Sports any sinkunwa abusuya yete on komo so no ete eba awo hormana okopie mandra na komanom enseda nye fidi agrosa MTN FA Cup Kotuguru House boys ni born bo hey abusuya andra dew dream self si ho form omso mo penenso ndro munyae omso mo pe enso ndro munya na okopie ma na andra say na resource no Asia Dream Self ese Kotuguru House academy no a wo mso eti mu ba ko Bechem United etumre ese ye Tamale City se kan 9 ama mso etimi eti mu mienu so and Adriana Stars eche eye King Voice a ebo mo kamyansa wo mso etimi eti mu mienu won ti sia no kopie ma Dream Self a qualify kopie mo semi final South na Bechem United a qualify ko semi final Adriana Stars a qualify ko semi final and te Ocean Draw home teams ne obia etumi win na ewo ya Accra Sports Stadium na game no Elsin Combo work but penfo epushi e de akọ ewa esa say e-ticket won san 70 no esa an bibia no e-ticket sa Sky FC wo no mo bo home omni Glorious Accra folk enti nkran ne de no mo bo no still na way for the house for the enti wo mo ene Glorious Accra folk na be bon that 3 p.m. and a game no busia ebe to dwa on mo a enkoma no enhyeda nye fidi agro enti omo pe team ba ko a oba be join the 3 teams a wo mo a qualified Dream Self Bechem United and Adriana Stars ebusia teams no ma qualify na no 10 tie pa ma Dream Self Bechem United Adriana Stars enti the house etumi hwini a obeka ko join se Sky FC hwini a obeka ko join ati asenti se house hwini a oni Dreams na bebo tio se house hwini oni Dreams a na bebo se okopie mo no wo mo ewo zone muza mu didim sa the same zone na 2 teams no wo mo ewa wo mo ehwe ese bibia so no betumi akonkanya yade ya ho komo so no ere ba senior ba team no enya financial ba bensem no UEFA Champions League onim say Andra Man City take Krobia Asante tamo oye you know pair ne buy no Man City ni Madrid and the win tam so South Liverpool and Villarreal onim say last time Krobia Asante di tuga ese ya denye benya tima woman said and G team bi za no be kokopie mo final tie busia be bia Villarreal nam no likely so betumi shock Liverpool but ebedin kakra ndi eno ne koma akra ye bedi South na okopie ma Borussia Dortmund tie ne pama me Borussia Dortmund pay for adia tum so to obetumi assign Ediama Ghana na contract ni mo no per latest na ne say until the end of the year until the end of the year enya 3 years enya 4 years da bi ye we nti opening budget atuma ye ya ana pinifo no na say Dortmund pinifo ama na ye the green light eso betumi assign Ediama Ghana and also yan komo akra ye be hwe abebem kakra hwe ese to the end of the year no ohwa enseda ha adwensa because Isian ye pe coacher obetumi lead Black Stars tieni pa ma be coacher obetumi lead Black Stars enya say ye de short term edwuma bi ada madabi long term odwuma opinion no obetumi atete players na obetumi ahwe players na unko fe edwuma short term the team ne kopie mo work bape na edwuma ne gu ba sana ebe ha adwen ti eno ne nkoma akra abobaba ye de emergency for former Krobia Kumasi Asamtrako player Urantin ere Ayashila Alasan Eliasu opinion etumi an all time Krobia Kumasi Asamtrako 11 osebo atin Aziz Ansa Godfrey Yeboa TV3 ano no ankasa ni din ewrem Isamed Joseph Henry Saso ena Ansa anase Stephen Odro Michael Asante yes Saso na kopima Hamza Mohammed ana nana hindranti we mu ne ne squad odi aba no hwa ebo anase ehye ya Asante ano ne nkoma akra ye bedidi ewo ehye twumedi ne so a enye Fediago team ne ya Franche senior ba Saso na Krobia Asante Franche black no pepa pe black kaso bi pe black enye se gwo bebre andra na me ko enakela black dey ya ta dani din na so be ka so ye yaza waje ne black come up na senior so no na wache chi ya dimza di anan kuma akra awusia evedi na aboa na bia so no etumi akonkan e wono na senior akwa ba ege
Raja
senior
oh yeah
bibia fine senior
oh nyame adum bibia e kama ege
ye de Raja
bibia e kama
say aden dia sanet ye say di fakono ye ya ne dane sana
we say ade achi ende na first 11 ye kan okay bibia nyame aye we say wudu Roger wa won abuye mu deja oh yeah won abuye won menta wo yeah ti ankoma Roger na wa wo ni nyina nti ankoma wo
all right am I sure you fefi quick one ya try UEFA Champions League parents na ba semi final Man City, Madrid and Liverpool, Villarreal but if so be see the fee within the week Chelsea playing against Madrid to me ko we knew about 20 million qualify so na Man City and Atletico Madrid draw, Liverpool beating Benfica and also Kopiema the shocking one Bayern Munich Villarreal after say home to me nya 1-0 victory and on the board draw oh Germany no obesha see if yanko mame ma Simano Simano no na faye ni afa mame
Raja
yes ba
ebe se chia etiefu nyina we say 52 no ebe na world ayede because we share boss 52 na ebe si nra Wednesday na we say na ye fantastic obi ai ball because we share ball na one bo bi ani wa we share baka si abo yi me share na eye do because we share 52 no Chelsea match the way ball ni ye ya na first league you know akoye 3-1 na obi ara Chelsea off but they what say no a football anything can happen na just why say mistakes be what committee na my dem we lose is about but one lose win pass no way until you because one yard next year no one time beam because now one expect what to do share classes see by 2 months near I will team ni ma still boys in team gina wana so abedu baby amadu na ya beka se one yard okay
Siba yanko meti yanko
who say well any Bayern Munich match no who say some match no na surprise match sure because no be expect say rabbit ma kwahye obi Bayern Munich den afibon num because we share the way Bayern Munich ball okay only right only team can say now we kwa kwina afibon num no wakwa away am walusu 1-0 no all by ni kurom Germany aye nim say aresa na de baby e go galo ba am so anche no committee match na be 3-4 na on the ball tare up to the sense e ball 1-1 na we fi ba ni Munich film no we say say match no surprise me obia because we should bet amafo koya obia call for Bayern Munich because we share the way ball ne koya na make say United Emirates yes ya ball na baso okay right why ya papa because we share the way what team group boys no and I show the way I ball Champions League na different from the World League no okay was in World Champions League and World League na ngam je say nka right ba zanko o enim but we show the way World League na say World Champions League no ko Champions League no we the one be go say final no World no untinti we say Champions League World no emu yedin ba me find very difficult pass ko be say na me tell because we ball ni nyina but the final third na be ball be say pole me be yasem mama enti we say we from wire papa because yes but say ba zanko be di wo but we say we share for be 5 years 6 season ya Champions League na nkasa ba be England for no because I say I do first four na last four no but England for 2 and 3 na wom like England for 2 and 3 wom we shall continue egusu ya adwuma because see how she my England for 2 one Spain for 2 na dey abem anything now I say world football na ba be Spain and England pe because the final tell no ba kwa na England for ni Spain for Ghana we na say teams na kan na we be ja bi keke but one yade obi aka won na de but make I say obi ayade ye hwe nra de see ya Benfica ai otina fie ma Liverpool kwa she 1-3-1 na no ne bobo 3-3 wo fie a hu say ebi a first league no mistake bi na why ofie na eden say na Chelsea we the same thing no once why ya ma eden wo lose sa ball nti ye zenka fie no kura otimi yire wo ho ball bi a 1-1 na say 2-2 na say ye 1 kura na ko otimi ko wanim but e baka say we go kudos to Benfica ni won ko ni wasan ko bo won na next year won say eden ensamra City ni Madrid o share say two teams now for the first time first league City find it very difficult cause now Madrid for the ball wo ball 5-5-1 into obi akura nko ne o makwa nko ne obu akwa wani no akwa de bakwache but you know say kiye wo du fie no nka at least obebuye mu ama wo matima de enya wo Kulaza go na nka de wo de akwa wani but still wo share na wo ball na wo compact ball a wo mbuye mu ama City fu ne de enwuram into je say 1-1 na 0-0 no wo boy no to the match wo share fair results e ma wo nyina but say Madrid fu na fim no enye big problem bia ya ko baby ye do na semi final na tough game
ya na face man
tough game because o share Madrid and City tough Madrid kwa away first na wo City kwa away from wo home dinyama Real Madrid because Real Madrid fie Champions League no wanyade Champions League fie wanyade
ba won mo no yi PSG fie
PSG de oni Champions League bo nje one kwade Champions League mun kan wasem wo ko tot stars ni na ba say Champions League bona nka wanyade nti we PSG fu nya hwie so what I say because o share one Champions League wo bo na fie nyina wo te fie na we fu be share Sheriff fu be share won wo fie nti wo share one Champions League wo bo na home matches no share nya say wo kwa away wo ya de pa nti say City wo bibi ya so ye wo away the first away no
City na ebo first home game
yeah okay fine nti say City na before I say City will be here there was why you no feel because but now record aye there obenya go enti no so obejaja no say o me hye ne wo so me hye ne say wo be hye Chelsea wo fie there and then ka be how but me sure say City wo boss abo no enti me say City no last season okọ final went menye enti ba bia wadu no me make sure say obekọ dem final na dem akọ because wo first time Champions League wo first time ya dey abeje ba akọ second time abetima Argentina zeni emu ni say obekọ Champions second time because Pep Guardiola ade akọ so je Man City so be Champions League o je Champions this man won this season obefiwo enti no je say champion ebe na Real and Liverpool that match no obi aberate Real off but a dangerous game pa because Liverpool fan sha Real fu be yin wafim
all right. Okay, so senior, I don't know, so Erin Koma Krediaba for the UEFA Champions League. And he on a swabon tofa and Komano and Sedan Yefidiagro. Aruma yeti Emerson. Etifonti, senior ba. Senior, you taste yes, ya once in a while be I say yes.
Oh, yeah, and I'm going to Kenya account.
Okay.
Dimi Bajami to fire goons.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he just say, oh, man, we have the men. We have the men. Now, but we be our call.
Yeah, me atom boss player.
Michelle, wait for.
How much it for you so? Yeah, Champions League in Accra. From Tuesday, Wednesday, and yeah, the semi-final. City, Madrid, Liverpool playing Villarreal. My Bruce say Villarreal ye team bia. Met me police surprise. Met me akoha Liverpool in the semi-final.
First of all, me this year too. Me sure I mean say you benya another an all English final.
Okay.
Very likely say you benya an all English final. But first of all, me pay Chelsea for them.
Okay.
You know, naturally everybody know.
Okay.
But na oshe game wako boy or Bernabeu. Fantastic.
Wow.
Fantastic. Respect for TT.
Wow.
You know, I did that one at all. But to be a professional commentator now, so we say, oh yeah, Juma now you analyst.
Yes.
Yes. You know, the only thing I make sure match, you know, unfortunately, N'Golo Kante in one shining and Chelsea losing match, you know. 2 goals now was shading ya, you know.
Wow.
And no prayer because unze no recovery crying yeah. So Miche game no. Even the Bakuna was sharing a VAR good
yes.
You know.
Alonso goal.
Now, well, initially a Funo Madrid for no.
Yes.
Initially a Funo Madrid for no, but I think fantastic work to Ancelotti.
Wow.
Need changes no you know.
Sure.
NSSR game no yes. Then Madrid nya the goal. Never na Karim Benzema. So fantastic game. You know, Chelsea me write it off.
Wow.
Unim near ma Chelsea sa onya sa problem ne sa lose na wo lose one Brentford.
Yes.
Wo lose.
Yes.
Inti edum won jan.
Wow.
So when Madrid ba won home no, yes. Na jan edum.
Edum dada.
Because you know me Chelsea for a while. Fantastic team.
Okay.
And yet o compare one game our boy ewo Bernabeu.
Yes.
Now compare near over ball ewo London. No.
Difference home.
Now London no one cash upon him.
Yes.
But then here they were supposed to be playing.
Yes.
Because even before that, then Barcelona who the Real Madrid.
Yes.
So in a game when you have a proper team. And that's why America say you get an all English final.
Wow.
Because the Barcelona, the Pep Guardiola, the Man City, and you're two different.
Wow.
The same thing.
Yes.
So Madrid, City will beat Madrid.
Wow. City versus Madrid.
City will beat Madrid. No, me can't.
Wow.
Based on me say Barcelona.
Yes.
Xavi.
Sure.
We share Real Madrid.
Yes.
To play the game. Like the same thing.
Yes.
Guardiola, the same thing as Xavi.
Yes.
Well, and yet anything seriously different. When you're in the no then they so it's likely my bet is for City on that match.
Okay.
Me City for us so but when we analyze it sometimes they bet me actually. Fantastic game too for Liverpool. Probably what by now on Zebia win here.
Yes.
So what relax kakra not one thing was because of what one could win 3-1 so now obey me afford it to do near way but Liverpool TT Jurgen Klopp fantastic people.
Wow.
Fantastic coaches.
Okay.
One actually one Bobby. So any game be our face Villarreal is a very stubborn team.
Wow.
Everybody knows.
Yes.
Very, very stubborn. We wait to be disturbed. Una Emery, Newcastle person will turn one call. Life is life. You have to BBO. One call you will be do. And from next year, Nidino can never cause it. But
yes.
I'm not sure. Obey me a Liverpool film. Okay. So I'm looking forward for an all English final.
Man City Liverpool final.
Man City Liverpool another final.
Wow. Wow.
And no me obey me winning.
Wow. Okay.
That game is too tactical.
Wow. Senior now say so also Eden Komoka Ediaba so nyanyanka Man City and Liverpool ebi share mo final na bibia no etimi akonkai. Boss player Akrobi Asante.
Writer.
Champion.
Yes.
You trip kakra.
Yeah, writer for the Champions League, I think say there is more time and we have a lot of time are able to me adjust into the UEFA Champions League going forward. But say locally, you know, over here and some the search for a new Black Stars coach, you know, as to say finally, yede ejumano Emma Otuado so be continue the last 7 months I can obey to me atwaso dinya ko work up now, but then we decide on a permanent manager able to me a long-term contractor. And also another issue I able to me actually. Then in the FA Cup now, I think say together with UNA AK we were at the Dreams FC Theatre of Dreams Deu Park and Dry Koshe how Dreams and Kotoku Royal say boy the quarterfinals. Then Hasselhoff hosting another Division 1 team. Yes. And teams are so far qualified, Bechem, any Adriana Stars. Yes. I would have to join into that. So the Champions League, I think say per the time any the econo if Sankebe to me to also here.
Okay. The Krobia Santana no Azia Meshe fi nsem kakra. Elio mede to dwa Adama say Dortmund pay for Giatum say Rantinho Toato. Papa no betumi assign a contract e dey ma Black Star back contract no be sign no enye 2 years enye 3 years just at the end of a year this year at the end of the year and ano ne ye bisa say esia no as said the Ghana Football Association ane ye mpini for bethenase na o ma appoint coach wo hwa a short term and as a long term as yenya coach oba ebeteki team na obetumi access players no as times goes on yes ye pe coach ya den kwakobo AFCON qualified abi na ye pe coach anaze ye obeka kobo World Cup na afi ye be kona performance no answer da nye da encouraging na ya sake coach no anase coach ye de adwuma be man say ya ma 5 years ya ma 3 years Black Stars adwuma no je Krobia Sante mama sha se mfimfi ho
writer me time no mama hu because
mama ma 5 minutes
for
Otuado
any
Dortmund FA Cup na de ye be yana atwist kakra na za opese de ani ni afim
okay and me nya be 7 bia
okay na mama 7 ni anko
negotiator
yes
in that time now then I also see how amazing sequence me stories now
okay mama 7 minutes yanko Krobia
right I think say on the side of Black Stars issues, yepe manager in no be to me den akọ because ye nyina yenim say it was a short month bi na yedema Otuado any the technical team wo modie Ghana ball the 2 encounters are any Nigeria boy and they did the needful say wo munya the qualification edema Ghana to the World Cup. Now one more tenure at office and day as soon as I bought that particular game yes. And woman to me movie to their various way womo womo ejuma obibia the likes of George Boateng no more and Otuado then as I say onipa kanu ono unattached Chris Hughton the technical advisor Ogusua owo obo ejuma and I believe so no the obe to akoso I den ejuma no but according the FA no any ministry no I don't know the cordial relationship any woman come out but I personally believe from how I know my con say almost tenacity who say I say peniful baby I would say they are with you amanefino yes or then they are with you amanefino yes intino woman who say these are people I had juma in no time even training session crown young 3-4 days crampa and you training with the team. Players no be but ejuma wo mo in these 2 games are mo boy and nyina who how the team man kasa no FA against Nigeria and one mo believe say per ejuma enenu Otuado no money ade abeyene there is no need say obe rush for a new manager say obe man no contract say yama 1 year yama 2 years say fayenko World Cup and also ba be something different if no also ba be impact next style of play and any ideas into the boys and then also be to me I aha drink kakra so one more believe say be yebema Otuado benya match time will be etumi prepare team ni yasan hu team ni ye unlike say the other people Nigeria even in short term ye nyina ye hu handwriting on the team sure. So why don't we give him that opportunity from June year July year yes ba be bo AFCON qualifiers
yes.
So you bet me about AFCON qualifiers about 4 matches crowns and you get into November yeah they be call World Cup no and you know wo mu hu ni say and yemfa sa qualification games no mom no Emma Otuado. So it was down to say if you know Ebesia Dortmund pennyfo ni bi as done previously. And what mukoye no, I think say news are no positive. So Otuado, I don't think say there is any problem. But George Boateng or no assistant.
Yes.
But Otuado de no, yenka who say the main technical team mankasa wo handle Borussia Dortmund on count.
Okay.
The main actors say assistant, assist 1, 2, sound ya do account.
Okay.
And then no need to me ama then. Betumi ama that part time on say obetumi aba abeye juma national team then na wasan baba kibio. But George Boateng different. Or assistant coach and they will need to deal with the team very 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 well. So almost better to say or no so betumi aba. So I personally think say
okay.
Say Otuado alone because for Chris Hughton me Obibia George Boateng if George Boateng into me amba
okay
Didi Dramani it will be very hard so on so baby or one to me if these two managers into me are the up crana having the main actors me believe said these are the two way persons I want to play key role in our qualification Chris Hughton and Otuado.
Okay.
So having them then Masud Didi Dramani it will be very hard see Ebenyano Abrante friend of George Boateng it will be very hard because per one role now one play no different compared to these two.
Okay.
And in one background having Chris Hughton and Otuado alone no you bet to me some other people are the one mobile count na one way to me abo ama team no so to me akwenim. So I think say for a honor a good news because yes you have qualification after World Cup no you be access one modern ball because qualifications are one ball e wo AFCON ni mu no ebo prepare on to the World Cup.
Yes.
World Cup performance on boy dan edin and then be chere
yes
say what you say and no be chere and one mo crampo no one mo betumi a convince say one mo betumi ja one mo club side no abefa in the national team no outright assign contract depending on performance Umankasa so ebe danedi anyhow the players any the entire supporters Ghanaians ebe responded to womonso ejuma womo ye no any baby ebe kwakudu na womo say indeed going forward no womonso e will future in the Black Stars. So I think say for that aspect I side with the FA any Otuado decision I womo take any ononso ne acceptance say obekoso ato aye ejuma ma Black Stars. FA Cup, no, yes, I think say I am very, very interesting. And this time, your teams are one way to me a boy room and we share the quarterfinals. I think we had in the quarterfinals near war Division 1 teams 3, and I say you were 2.
Yes,
you were 2.
Because
yes, yenya dream, yenya Kotoku Royals,
yes,
you were Tamale Cities, yes. And yenya Sky FC. Yes, into yenya 3.
Yes.
The last 8, yenya 3 division clubs out of 8 teams are no more vie for the quarterfinals. Proceed across the semi-finals. Yes. No? And this time, I think say in the semi-finals, yenya Bechem United and Adriana Stars are already one more are qualified to the semi-finals. And these are two teams that women in the Kakushia was semi-finals.
Yes,
no? Because zone. Draw no a street.
Yes.
Northern zone one. It is yenya Bechem and Adriana qualified in expense of any Kinfesa.
Yes.
Then Bechem United on Tamale United.
Tamale
and
City.
Then Tamale City and then Dra womo to me completely our monso Kakobo. It is pedia and only Dreams FC. Ebabebo Hasselhoff and Sky FC. Yes. Sky FC was owner and the chairman of the MTN FA Cup. And Dra game yena yeko PMU ewo Deu Stadium yeko Shebi kakra, and I think say it was a very good game and Dra wo game Kotoku Royals be boy na. If not say be a one-off game and a one more performance and Dra one more done any Dreams games this season, young share every particular game I want to bought. Their last game I share was against Bechem. I share and one more games I want to boy. I think say yes, Shenina and performance I want more than it now. Shendra Kotoku Royals. If not say one more boy Premiership side and I say one off game no one say one more show be there. Then that resilience, that energy, and that agility our players in the show and Drano. I can bet you say this team on on any given day one must be to me participating in the Premiership and one more than bono able to me ayejuma. We had some few players and we say just after the game we see how even the supporters of Dreams FC calling for Dreams FC say Kotoku Royals number 2 no anyone yes. Number 9 no chinchina and they are one much Dreams FC say one side one and then dry you share Premier League Ghana ha young players but and dra adia Lukaku no yen yes which means say a fantastic player on any given day to me lead the lines of the likes of Kotoko because we are having the likes of Japan, yes. We are having the likes of Isaac Opong, yes. We are having the likes of Andy Kuminumwe by Samuel Boateng Okocha. These are players that Kotoko from Division 1, Division 2, yes. And they are making their debut in this season league. But Shawomu performance on Kotoko and where Kotoko is with this crop of academy players from the other divisions at the buy. So I think these are equally good players also on any given day. If say scout a good Premier side now more scout performance the FA Cup few players be able to me about journey. And there has to folk any BBI than to win to place their supporters.
Okay.
A defending champions of the Premier League already. Premier League as said their standings in it and they won't lose the Premier League anyway.
Okay.
FA Cup defending champions and this time they've had the opportunity say still now one more and coming against this Division 1 team these are teams that one more divisions want always be a woman access to watch the Premier League. And that mentality I team say you ball against a Premiership side and players in Inano individually they are motivated ahead of the game. They don't need any manager, they don't need any promises from their owners, their managers or whoever or supporters. They are already motivated because it's a hassle folk and I want to about defending champions of the FA Cup, any defending champions of the Premier League, the Super Cup.
Yes.
3-time champions. I just say we get 3 trophies in a year. Into no be shiaoma a bit to me opportunity players nangasa performance be better than the bia who say any was a game way a hassle folk and scouts are available watching this particular game no was ruyepa and the players nangasa no motivated will be BMU. Unlike who has to folk, I feel say you are a Premiership side and who you're okay, who be Division 1 or free Division 1 no player. So you are coming with players with names, you are coming with coaches with names and BBR brand any BBR and awardeba. So you don't watch them, you don't pay attention to their individual players how they play because it's very difficult say obenya wo video crampo. Yes. That Premier League creating. So how much more the division? So getting their tactics and everything very very hard. But one will always be a one more causes here. Kotoko has game. They watch one benya hawa game some will do set it up any so kwa attacker. Baby a has to focus to Simani ade one benya access to that. But one bebre into these teams are always be a and to ube say League Cup, the likes of Copa del Rey, FA Cup, League Cup, Uba Ghana FA Cup ni adia. You the likes of and they are Oko United no munyina be to beye and to be to me aboa ama Sky FC so to me put up a performance has of folk expect so the best I won't to me and say one show team say a Premiership side ni one babebo and any given day has of folk can kasa engine ye so we should go all out where do and set up ni team no now on so win and farmer has of folk I think say has of folk win
okay.
They benya all 4 Premiership teams are almost so sure. And Bechem United Abubia semi-finals Aqua Africa Pen.
Yes.
Diana Stars Aqua Africa Pen. Hasselfolk Aqua Africa. So you benya a debutant and the first time ever Okako boy even the semi-finals of the FA Cup and on a Dreams FC and should has qualified in the expense of Sky FC on Dreams FC never. So I'm Shenia not this season. C'est sure could be sube to me as pa.
I say you fat champion.
Oh yes, indeed. C'est sure could be sube to me pa. This time round, a bit to me a Dreams FC ye be who say first time ever all bought the semi-finals and sube tasted the finals for the first time our club in the history. So I think say ye benya a very good game today. Hasselfolk then FA Cup on the finals I think say the venue need
Kumasi
and able to fantastic so and we say one by brand any BBI na able to me pay to me that particular game and I'm expecting a team like Betchem United performance or Modiama in this season say final hono me hwe nim se ombeduo and wo mu dua kwata kra no me pese wo mo nje trophy no.
Okay, at the Crovia Sante and out is there obviously ordinary dia boss player ya hwe Black Star coaching issue no kakra na yenye
na we answer matter unze na Crovia bu baby
yeah
me new pay be frame Santu
okay
unze nipa tipa
sure mo monitor yes
oze ni awa portal na afino onchi se odubom
okay
anani awatwu me afino
okay
onchi se odubom
okay
this is Santu ba je that's it
okay that's fine
wow na Otoado the Black Star team
sure
me how me see me dwene ho na the financial implication
okay
because sa nipa banang na ye frɛ won kan wo nyina bom no won an wonu nim se ne wo ye won adwuma
okay
IA players are with me scouting wonya within that short time to convince them to come how with me psyche some of the players because as wo Kumase no there were some of the commentary and never training now they would Chris Hilton and Fred Jiku no on any stance in no din come so who say whatever ni AC World Cup qualifier matches Ghana and in Nigeria ni nyano as any pan ba nan ni nyina and a wo boom no wo ye me dene the financial implication
okay
sa nipa ba nan if opese o keep wo nyina the burden on the Ghanaian people anything you know because the previous coach need to earn 50,000 Milo need to earn 35,000
yes Milo just
35,000 and Sani Papa
30,000 or so 30,000
and obviously Sani Papa nya o kan wo nyina boma sometimes me nim senior one ka so me still am wo otwen me twen ni bisi nyina then near GFA for no Wobeka because they won't start CBB.
Yes.
You know, for a long time, 2014 sa asemnuko si wa Brazil no. Ghana for spirit and share then D the Black Stars in Echi.
Okay, Zuba, Milo, it was 30,000.
30,000.
Yes, 30,000. Yes.
Okay, fantastic. You know the implication on the check. Now, Omang spirit ababe di team next me de be assemble ko na make about the Black Star team obi a obi say me the Black Star team no it is oje wo bola so utie mu a na hu say na e show fa ugina chi dia obeti ma kire wadwen and any time bi a wo be ko ba bi a Omang ni sunsum ta wo ngachi no wo ye niama bebre from 2006 to 2010 to even 2014 ye Germany game no yeah, one boy to say one can be cry. A car kete and get 131. So whenever Omang ni sunsum ta yem brand nechino, and it's in bibiliba. So me pese anka, you know, we find a way.
Okay.
Minim mum me koso train with the GFA.
Okay.
One metre kwanga ye beti my if possible na ye beti me find a way. Say obia to odiambo walk up on keke.
Okay.
Because me walk up on one this year, walk up na economy. Me masha me who extraordinary team behind.
Oh, walk up here.
This very walk up.
Wow.
You know, previously Anka Yeko walk up now. Who say about 6 teams are settled on one side.
Okay.
But then they say every team have normal players.
Yes.
Paul Pogba Obama France.
Yes.
He is Paul Pogba in Man U.
Yes.
And Obama France.
Yes.
Karim Benzema. You know, you need. Me who team bia is there ebrusu bia so if Ghana see the any ama to 2 year with the end spirit and any your ding na yekita gina park and so na ye bit my any ama bebre so me bompai me twen won find a way you bit make keep say nipa ba nan na once we bit my work it together you are now till November kwanwom you know at least we have about up to about 6 months
kwanwom
7 months kwanwom yem fani amount to 2 years. Yem won kwan won ye juma to the end of the World Cup.
Okay.
Nefi, I think we can take a proper decision.
Obeta your Sky FC ne has for game kakra.
Me Kotoko film na me ya.
Okay.
Me esa me pentem en contem. No we jira why no kaka onye no contem.
Okay. Later Sabani nyame aduma the Ghana Football Association by the end of this month no o me fly akokopie mu away Dortmund na omne Dortmund penny for so omo dia betu dwa say Otuado no omo man contract no to the end of a year this year and the Ghana Football Association penny for befa flight e dia call na omo akwakoye bibia kama na bibia so no etimi akwa senior baby but yamfa course no 0551 667755 0551 667755 and that's 0270 191971 0270 191971 and that's 0551 667755 you for Champions League to Black Stars coaching job on sense no obetimi afrena odi wa dwen share eri aba senior yan hwa kakra
rather say Black Star hu hia Ghana for pa
sure
because we share for send yakan for almost by 2014 yakwa weka ba no say na Kofi Kano na sane mani na split na akwa down wo bobo kremfo bia ho but we share wake up say to wake up ya boy ya for a long time na ye share say beautiful football ache nti ma supporters obia rasi team nati ene ka na me win say abo no na we share say for officials na we lead the yankwa na we share the Nigeria second match no second half na we share team tactical we share we say Chris Whitty na my boss abo no because we share the way we position one for the second half na we be say no we say we the technical director then adwene enti no we say nyem wase yebedu Ghana no yemma mpanyana kasa kan si unya nkobe kambu we nyina obe kidnap wo mo wonko ba bia
senior me baba me fa call we our man so hello good afternoon fire
Good afternoon.
Yeah, fire. Fire.
Okay. Black Star technical team na mpesa meka wasem kakra.
Patro yanko enim.
Pamucho won ye de won ball qualify sa to Nigerian leagues ni nyina no. Aye me de say match say won aka won abum say wo pese won wo de yanko World Cup. Me ye sure say wo de adwuma ne she won santem na say wo won preparation tem I hope say we be public to me from nti wo momodin na won kan na won fa yanko World Cup medamasi.
Okay, fire yeso yada so betimi afre na odi wadwen hire e dia ba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and as 0270 191971 ofra ye bejo so na yedin komo e won ma senior
yo say na meka no enti yem wa say ye ba adwuma pa wo ye no ye man panyin ka si no onyanko be kidnap won na o hwe ni na me say GFA anyamo na watu ni nyina gina me say na bra ye man panyin kan no because o hwa wo ye adwuma pa within a short just one week na o hwa adwuma wo ye na we say ne hia chat timodo won ko wake up na me nim say Dortmund for no Otuado onye assistant coach onye second coach onye third coach enti me hu ne ndi a one person will be done and I want to project to be away entina one person will be done
when so be one more team no they have a project because an ocean contract or Dortmund crying and so yeah is it 2.5 years now so yeah
and the man answer who say as a national team you know coaches are obi a want to choose ope as a national team level as a coach na wa be coach won now because of say teams with teams we share say we value say to ni na ahwe say ni na na be boyam but me say we share abrofo na bibia ba for national we value say adne more as in leagues clubs ni ade no unless say we be ka say we say unko dia unko but e ba say we national team but to say we play we share players ngwa kasa kra kan the national team ba we value the national team no class in one club na we born ko bia ba so enti na me busa say contract na one dem contract dem we because bia na project bia we ya super
pewe na mridi wana in the year 2019 omo appointing as a talent coach talent coach and omo appointing was
it is on Oscar to my
yes talent coach e wo Dortmund yes me statement in was say no Krobia say
yes talent coach scouting team
yes
entina Mr. Writer entina almost go be jano because players e ba Dortmund na when you players for because when you good players are what me natural one edu baby anu akoton won because wo hwe yes one striker here say for now o say striker apart from say obeyi imapa efu no the next person obenye plan we pray pranga oka sa we are ne ho market obi a so yin say obaniti no just say because of anything na obesu obejana mana akono but wake up no ya ade bia beba November emutwe just say for that 1 year no and na yin say yakobo GF nka ya we senke yakobo work win aba qualification aba no wa team number Chris Witten but say no why when say no won party ni na won papu na bom kwa e be fantastic nti no be kan we san kan win na bom say na Yambra Kofika no ye be gina be sika no because say ye ka say yakofo obi aba obi wanye ko oje 15 kura sa woni pa 5 no say woni pa 4 no o ka 15 times sa 4 na escape mu ye duru pa ti ye say won say sa nkofo ni escape ye beti manya atua na because ya ansesa na manyina because no ya kasi because of say one kwade yan ko change yan fo nkonso ya let's ka say so hwe be ha ya adwene because hwe qualify na boy na one first ka say bia matu bia bia enti adu ka kan ho na ma Ghana supporters in anya resem di won wachi no because yes nka sika sembe pue mu aye winning won say wan kan wan asema ntro bia agisi ye koba na anse na wo me ye hu ni ye de ko nyina tatam na support na be tintin je say sika sem na aya ma won say Ghana for say ya ma Ghana say uye bi na sika na be wuram ka say na wa start ka say because won say no situation na ye mu no na wa hwe sika na ye ko na ya no ye den but je say mpanfu ni mu ni awore ye into ye na ye support better wachi because ye pe good thing ye pe say ye hu sinka afi wake up ne be ko no ni yehu 2016 no ye ko more than that
2014
2006 de no 2010 de no we say ye do quarter final nti ye be say nkai nke betima akoyanim asensa nti me je say so what for one nyina abom na one more time because we know was because I said you can to ado or your scout into the players ba nti me say no be boya am nya good players a ye betima akọ wake up na ye say wake up ko yibi because me just say I feel say na ko bi kan I feel wake up no hu obia ni me say Portugal me say we could press now what playoff what Macedonia bra we be kwanti we qualify nti we say abuse ball na aburo bi ani mbo na onyan say ubeye biribi be keka on keke enu ya nen
all right the senior and out so no so den nkomo akrade ba ye be yakrobia o say the difference between a talent coach and a coach what you say that difference we know say ye pa because obi won ma obeka say we obi on scout na cry den at you say enti obeka so obi a all scouting ye di adwuma be ma no there's a boy confusion am Africa kanti I don't come Mr. Kofi ya corner last word na ya sorry so
the final word they am say
okay
say no sha me Manchester na enye ne o kan one kan asem go you know and onyankopon aye ne am bebira ma
okay
arewa ko onyankopon aye ama ma fi bi say Oma Ghana qualify for World Cup. Into no even before I ever season, me train World Cup.
Okay.
Oh no, Kotoko. because yeah, you know, Man U, I'm happy.
Okay.
At least for now, there's a way. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Say you're coach for and this coach. You know, fantastic. Me say even Kudus Mohammed. You know, I was even wishing say, unfortunately, World Cup November yes. But then Anga Kudus, me sure Kudus to come to Man United. Now Anga on any coach, I want about Manchester United.
Wow.
I'm looking for me this particular World Cup. Me sure Fatal Isahaku.
Okay.
Me sure Kamal Din Sulemana.
Okay.
Me sure Kudus Mohammed, and also even Jordan Ayew to relaunch. Ne career.
What about Joseph Pinto?
Me, I don't think. Me, I look at him. I don't think so.
Okay.
Me sure. Sa players at least Fatal, Kamal Din, Kudus. Sa nipa ba saying I'm say what for World Cup religiously.
Okay.
As a one who walk up and say, this is my way to break to the world scene.
Okay.
Got this walk up and that's all we as a training.
Okay.
Breaking to the world scene.
Sure.
So one funny person now, especially right. Jordan Ayew.
Okay.
Umbo goes to Nungum. Matisse will say Naki Williams and you hear another top striker.
Okay.
You know, Afineja and what say or good but name finish Sakakra. To lead we on a World Cup, no.
Okay.
I don't think so.
All right.
You Emebuano if you ever kunya Inaki Williams. The guy is the Abing.
Yes.
Into where ever through we are no Obeba. And they say, and yet thing to say first. No friends won't go African Cup now. Sometimes it's difficult.
Okay.
Because the terrain and everything. But when the World Cup on the local the subsequent ones then you get. Okay. That was me chow no wait for you.
All right. And I don't know. You see a House of Folk 11 man fan to starting lineup ni Richmond ai Mohamed Alassan, Abrante Glass na wako, Kofi Koji, Daniel Friabane, Caleb Amankwa, Isaac Mensah, James Sawonu, Salim Adams, Dennis Nkrumah Kosa, and Samuel Inkum and they all started at the House of Folk against Sky FC. Mitino at a writer, commentator, Krobia Santos Seneca, Sasona Ote Mr. Kofinka, Branty and Diary Senior, Zinio Bruta Pa, also Seneca, which meetings who are now on Comoson, and Yefidiago, DJ Zigibi, Yo, Tony Boise, and making sure say yes, social media be Piasono, ebe to me, Akonkai, DJ Donzi, DJ Vibes, Sasona, no time yet, anymore, Bregoza, and also a boy, my Piasono, 8 me Akonkai, Hero Sports, you run, Are Auko Pima and Anako Koreajima. Yes, Mr. KB. One and a executive producer ship Biama Biasono, Etimia Konkai. Okay. And I'm a treman by Nike or a bruta papa pass right at the idea. Do ye yasa? I'll go for Shavran can say I'm your watching Ibisha at the same time. Medino at a writer commentator.
Walk the walk on every street. Upon a ball, I win the world on my feet. Hit every discotheque and ask it for me.